Meetings can be tough sometimes because of glitches and low latency, but today I'll introduce you to Huddle01 dRTC network. The Huddle01 decentralized real-time communication network is a comprehensive protocol to democratize communication over cyberspace, particularly audio and video conferencing. You may think of Zoom or Google Meet.
She's a trash bag.
But the problem with real-time communications like Zoom and Google Meet lies around privacy, scalability, and reliability due to their centralized architecture. Huddle01's dRTC network breaks down this architecture using globally distributed nodes for a significant performance boost, cheaper costs, and robust security. Governed by crypto-economic policies, the network guarantees equitable incentivization of all supplier nodes through Huddle tokens, fostering an emergent economy, which includes media nodes, orchestrators, and validators. Now you may ask, why dRTC? For better scalability. 95% cost savings, robustly secure, more user privacy, sovereign and circular economy. It can handle high traffic, downtimes, and provide ultra-low latency, has enhanced privacy via end-to-end encryption, and the value ultimately returns to the community that produces it, and not just a handful. Now you may ask, how do you transition from RTC to dRTC? Well, every traditional RTC app can switch from cloud providers like AWS to Huddle01 dRTC, which is more secure, provides better privacy for users, and at the same time saving 95% on data and companies' cost. I know you are excited or even tired and just want to know how to join Huddle01 dRTC network. There are multiple ways to interact with Huddle01 dRTC network. 1. As a media node, you earn rewards for supplying bandwidth to the Huddle01 dRTC network. 2. As an orchestrator, you earn rewards for matching media nodes to participants and coordinating meeting rooms. 3. As a validator, you earn rewards for validating dRTC execution transactions. 4. As a participant, participants can engage in snappy, private, and scalable meetings directly on the dRTC network. 5. As a developer, you can use the Huddle01 SDK to integrate dRTC capabilities within your applications. And 6. As a business owner, you can leverage the capabilities of the Huddle01 dRTC network to build your own apps which are highly scalable. You can see that Huddle01 is the future of decentralized real-time communication and the best. From RTC to dRTC, dip in for RTC.
Because I am better.
At what?
Everything.
That is all for Huddle01 dRTC network. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more. Peace out.